Hello everyone, thanks for joining this section. This is Leslie, Marketing Manager of Brightman Technology.
This is Carter, Regional Sales Manager at Brightman Technology.
Today we are going to introduce one of Brightman featured product, 12-lead portable ECG, and use some successful cases to explain its features and how it applies to telemedicine and ECG AI applications. So here is the agenda today. First, I will give you a brief introduction of ECG market and the trend. Next, we will do the demonstration of our products. Next will be the successful stories. At the last part, we are going to introduce you one of our developing products. Okay, let's start with the market overview. So Carter, have you ever feel dizzy or feel uncomfortable about your heart and go to see the cardiologist?
No, but as I know, if you feel uncomfortable about your heart, you will be first arranged to take ECG measurements. Are these all the ECG measurements I know?
Yes or no, because basing on different situations, different types of ECG examination will be taken. What you just mentioned would be the resting ECG, which requires patient to lie down and take a measurement. This is for screening the heart condition as the routine checkup. If you are suspected to have coronary disease, you might need to have the stress ECG test, which is taken during exercise, usually on a treadmill. If you still feel uncomfortable but the resting ECG shows normal, there is another type of ECG, the Holter, which is the ECG to record heart activities continuously to detect hidden heart abnormality. Among these ECGs, Brightman is making resting ECG, which also accounts for the biggest market share of ECG markets.
So Leslie, how about the ECG measurement on the Apple Watch?
The ECG measurement on Apple Watch is the single lead ECG, which means it can only provide the heart electrical activity from one angle. There are also 3-lead, 6-lead, and 12-lead ECGs. A 12-lead ECG can give the most thorough information about heart activities. You can see the graphic in the slide. The 12 leads covers different sides of heart, which can bring complete view of different heart angles to provide more information for an accurate diagnosis.
Okay, I see. So the 12-lead ECG measurement can only be taken in hospitals?
Usually it is the case, since it requires professional knowledge and training to attach electrode precisely on patient's body. The 12-lead ECG is also usually a big, heavy machine with the built-in printer for reports. However, recently, the portable type of ECGs are also developing. Different from traditional type of ECG, the portable type of ECG separates signal capture and the data analysis function, letting PC or mobile devices to manage ECG data efficiently and share report easily, which bring 12-lead ECG measurement outside of hospitals.
That's interesting. But in what scenario patient will take 12-lead ECG measurement outside of hospitals?
In some general clinic, there is a 12-lead ECG measurement service for chronic cardiovascular disease patients as the routine examination. The portable size of ECG, the operation in general PC create installation convenience. For the mobile clinic, data visit service or other telemedicine applications, the easy to carry size, shareable reports, and the easy data integration satisfy the requirements of those outside hospital use. There is also the rising demand at hemodialysis center as the prevention examination, since patients at hemodialysis center usually are at high risk of cardiac complications.
It seems that sales of portable ECG are going to grow And since the pandemic are leading people outside of hospitals?
Totally. The pandemic is definitely the most important market driver for portable ECG. As mentioned, the portable ECG are applied to telemedicine applications a lot. You can see the projected telemedicine market size. It will reach $636 billion in 2028. Besides, the pandemic also has impact on the portable ECG market from another aspect. The portable ECG's design allows flexible data processing, which helps to develop AI-enhanced ECG analysis to increase the diagnosis rate of pandemic or vaccine-caused heart disease. Okay, let's hand over to Carter for the demonstration.
Thank you, Leslie. For this section, I'm glad to talk about Brightman ECG device with our core technology and some particular features. Besides, I will show you how to upgrade our portable 12-lead ECG with connections of tablet on Windows, iOS, and Android platform. First of all, I would like to introduce our PC-based 12-lead ECG, which is an innovative product as a pump size for portability in the application of mobile clinics and rural medical service. It connects to PC, laptop, Windows tablet via USB cable to perform 12-lead real-time waveforms for doctors' analysis. Our PC ECG can achieve 1000 per second sampling rate for precise patient's heart result. The ECG report is saved in PC workstation as an electronic file, and you can print it out by general A4 paper instead of traditional thermal paper to avoid blood issue of characters. Also, we provide API software on multiple platforms like Windows, Android, Linux to global SI partners for integration. The ECG is certified by CE, FDA, PMDA from Japan, and TFDA from Taiwan. That means we can market ECG to any countries.
Carter, I have one question. So which country do you sell PC ECG?
Basically, we have ECG sales record in Japan, United States, Spain, France, Thailand, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, over 14 countries around the world. Everyone knows our life has been impacted by COVID-19 since 2 years ago. Brightman offers all-in-one ECG solutions to fulfill medical facilities demand in the world. The first is Tele-ECG Kit. It categorizes ECG machine, Windows tablet, ECG electrodes, and cables for easy carry outside. The second is Tele-ECG card, an economic card with a storage basket for quick ECG pre-screening at local clinics. Now it's time to give you a Tele-ECG kit demo. The aluminum carrying case comes with ergonomic handle and 2 safety locks. Also, a high-quality EVA lining for excellent protection and well-organized components. Let me take out ECG. There are 2 connectors. One side is for patient cable. And besides, we have the 2 different kinds of patient cables, snap type and banana type, to meet different applications. The other side is USB port. Connect with the tablet for patient data transmission. So let's open the ECG software. So this is the main page to enter the physician name. And right here, you can create a patient medical record. You have to enter the patient ID, the patient name, gender, and the remark for these patients. So the tablet is connecting with the ECG to run the 12-lead waveforms. By using remote desk app, the ECG analyzed waveforms can be displayed synchronously between remote site and cardiologist site to satisfy telemedicine service. So let's click Analysis to get the ECG report. After 10 seconds, you will get the ECG report like this. There are some parameters, patient ID, and the interpretation of summary on this ECG report. You can also click the screen to check each details of waveform.
Oh, I can see the detailed waveform from this side. So I have a question. Can this PC-based ECG be used on this kind of mobile device?
Good question. The PC ECG is not allowed for Bluetooth Wi-Fi connection, but we are very excited to announce second generation of BT ECG. It's very lightweight and you can handle it in one hand. Its operation system is iOS, Android, and Windows, compatible with all mobile devices. Let me start off a simple demo of BT ECG for you. There are 3 indicators to show battery status, Bluetooth connection, and patient cable connection. You can check each status by LED lights in different colors. The iOS tablet is connecting with our BT ECG and running the 12-lead real-time waveforms. Right here, you can find a button for the report format. So you can select the 4x3, 2x6, and 1x12 as your preference. And let's back to the ECG report. So for ECG report, I would like to mention one particular feature, which is ECG algorithm of auto-interpretation that states over 40 types of syndromes can be identified and summarized to assist physicians make a quick diagnosis. I will share more detailed information by next slide. So here is a button for report sharing. The report can be selected as PDF or XML file, and you can upload it to your email, WhatsApp, and other available apps. So the last is the setting part. So right here, you can find some functionality adjustment here, so such as the background color and the report grid color. For multi-languages, we provide Chinese, English, Japanese, Spanish for different countries' use. We also offer other languages for customized service. The ECG interpretation is important to analyze results. It can be detected over 40 types of syndromes, including rhythm, hypertrophy, and conduction, like tachycardia, bradycardia, and arrhythmia. The accuracy of interpretation is 76%, much higher than other algorithms. The doctor can validate the detailed analysis with a summary of patient on ECG report. When talking about API integration, we are proud that integration service is one of Brimade's major business to explore digital health partners around the world. There are multiple solutions through our API software, such as telemedicine applications by software developers, HIS PACS system integration by service providers, and the mobile apps with ECG integration for mobile clinic use. As of today, we have long-term business relationships with our partners coming from different countries. So let me introduce some valued clients for you. The first is the Vision Flex, an Australian company who is specialized in telehealth integration service. And the Hoops Healthcare, our Indian partner who has extensive experience in digital health. And the ECG Excellence, a company from Netherlands for ECG AI analysis. The last one is Zhonghua Telecom, top biggest Taiwanese company to build up telecommunication with 5G network. So Brightmate establishes sales channels with many partners over the world. So we are happy to share some reference cases in different countries to let you know the scenario application of Brightmate ECG. Some people live in rural areas, may need heart examination and medical health check periodically. Our portable ECG is applicable to rural community, home visit, maritime, and prison. There are some pictures to show the PC ECG is used in a mobile clinic located in Morocco, and home visit service provided by general practitioners in Taiwan. There are some key elements to fulfill easy operation, carry around applications, and quick diagnosis. Of course, a small and portable ECG is necessary. And second, an integrated kit with a Windows tablet. And the API integration for mobile apps. The last is the smart ECG interpretation to identify patients' heart symptoms. Many people have heart disease and live far away from hospital. The portable ECG is developing and growing very fast. So a place to take a 12-lead ECG is not necessary in the hospitals. There are two references. The first is the hospital in downtown consult with patients who lives in outlying islands through 5G network in Taiwan. And due to severe COVID-19 in India last year, where patients are in isolation room, doctors use a teleconsultation to check patients' health. The tele-ECG consultation is a market trend to be used for efficient ECG examination between hospitals and remote medical centers. What Brightmate offers is real-time 12-lead waveforms, simultaneous sharing screen, and instant sharing report in order to implement a quick ECG analysis result, transmitting to major medical facilities. Artificial intelligence has been a technical trend to be used in digital health, especially in oncology, radiology for medical imaging, neurology, and cardiology. Making an ECG is simple, cheap, and fast, but the conventional algorithm for ECG analysis has been applied for a long time, and the improvement of accuracy rate has been discussed. AI appeared as the tool for better ECG analysis that identify hidden abnormality in COVID-19 patients. As we study AI ECG, we found two key requirements are really important to achieve AI analysis. High sampling rate at 1,000 samples per second to acquire more accurate raw data. And the second is to provide API on different OS platforms for open system integration. This section is regards to Brightmate new product development. I will hand over to Leslie again.
Thank you, Carter. So the developing product I would like to introduce is the spot check monitor. It's a monitor to capture multiple vital signs, including blood pressure, ECG, SpO2, and the temperature. It's a compact all-in-one box for easy installation on medical card for war-round service, and it's very convenient to carry out by doctors for home medical service. Besides, we also modularize each vital sign, which means It allows individual vital signs to be integrated to different systems or a machine easily. Before saying goodbye, here's a recap for you. Brightman is making mobile PC-based and mobile-based resting portable ECG. For the PC-based type ECG, it passed most of the certificates, so it can be sold worldwide. We offer cross-platform APIs for system integrator partners to quickly integrate our ECG to hospital server or existing systems like telemedicine or ECG AI analysis systems. The ECG report can be saved in PNG and the PDF files for instant sharing. It can also be converted to DICOM or XML files for seamless integration with hospital server. There are two versions of ECG software. The report coming with assistive interpretation is the diagnostic version. For some of our system integrator partners, the standard version with no interpretation is the version they required. As the mobile-based type ECG is with BLE power-saving module for wireless data transmission. Multiple user interfaces are available, including Windows, Android, and iOS platforms. We also offer APIs for integration too for mobile-based ECG. And this product will be launched soon in next year. And last part, I would like to talk about cooperating with Brightman. We are always seeking a long-term partner to work with us to make life quality better. There are different ways to cooperate with us. We are offering the turnkey solution, including integration or software customization service. We are also ISO and ISO 13485 certified manufacturer to provide the quality contract manufacturing service. Most important of all, we would like to add more dots on our distribution network, so the distributor partners are even welcome. Okay, thanks for your participation today. Hope you have better understanding about Brightman and our products through this presentation. If you have any questions, please contact us through those channels in the slides.
Meanwhile, we will attend medical this year, so we hope to see you at medical in November. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.